Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet.
Violets are a delightful treat, a nutrient-dense food, and can also be powerful medicine. Energetically, violets are cooling and moistening. They can bring relief to hot, dry tissues and modulate inflammation. We can harvest both the violet flowers and leaves as food and medicine. Violet's ability to soften and soothe dry and inflamed tissues is a perfect match for dry mucous membranes and irritated coughs. Violets have been used for coughs in North American, European, and Chinese medicine. And researchers are confirming this use. A double-blind, randomized clinical trial with children aged 2 to 12 years found that violet syrup could help the coughs of children with intermittent asthma. Violets can also soften and soothe a sore throat, especially when it's dry and irritated. It can be used to bring instant relief as a tea, syrup, or infused honey. An interesting 2019 study showed that hospitalized children with fevers who had violet-infused oil rubbed on their abdomen had a significant decrease in their fever. As a result, those using the violet oil used less acetaminophen.
Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.